Hi there, this is Ashish Panthi and this is my project Lootle. Lootle is a web application that helps you to track the price of the product listed on e-commerce sites like Flipkart, Amazon or Taraz, and notifies you when the price of the product drops below the price you specified. Means when the product falls in your budget, you will get a email notification like this, notifying you that you have the budget to buy that, and you can just buy that product right now. So let me just give you the quick overview of this application. So this is the landing page where you can see the services, nice footer, and just a few buttons and a video, introduction video about this Lootle.live. And I can just click on get started now, or I can just click on this login button. Either way, I have to log in with Google. This is the only way to authorize right now, and maybe I'll include more ways to authorize the users. So let me just choose one account in here. So I'm logged into my dashboard, and here you can see that I already have 3 trackers running in here. Means I'm tracking the price of 3 products already in here. So let me just show you the information of this product. So you can see I'm tracking one product from Draz and from Amazon and from amazon.co.uk also. So these 3, all of these are products, means they are not stocks. Yes, we can also track stocks from the CNBC website. And let me show you the information about this. So this is a tracker running for this chair. So if I just open this link in here, I can see that this is the product page of Daraz. Yes, I'm tracking the price of this chair in here, and currently it's 7,000, and I can see in here the current price is 7,000 and my budget is 6,500. And when the price drops below 6,500, I'll get an email notification like this, notifying me that I have enough money to buy that product. So you can see other details also in here, and you can see a detailed price overview by a graph. This is a line chart that just gives you the information about the price at a particular time. You can see all of this in here. And I can just choose the time period also, and I have this in the lifetime, and I can just choose in the past 24 hours. So in the past 24 hours I can see the fluctuation of price with respect to time or date. And if you don't want to like buy the product, and if you want to research on the price fluctuation over some e-commerce website, then also you can use this website. And in future I'm planning to give you the data in CSV format, and you can just press export as CSV or export in that Excel format in here. And I'm trying to just attach that button in here so that you will get the freedom to export this data from in here. And let me show you other products also. So in here you can see that this is a product. My budget was 64,000 and the price dropped below the 64,000. So I got an email notification. You can see that I get an email notification 40 minutes ago. And yeah, I got the email notification 40 minutes ago from my actual domain. You can see no reply @lootle.live, and if you haven't noticed it, the domain name is lootle.live. So it's a email that I got from the bot, so you don't need to reply in here. So this is a nice little email notification that we get when the price drops below the price we specified. Means when the is in our budget range, we'll get an email notification. So this is all about the tracking. So let me add a fourth one in here. Let me show you how you can just track the product. So let me just open up Amazon in here, and I'll just track the price of this MacBook. So first of all, to track the product's price, you need to copy the URL from here. So I'll paste the URL in here. I'll just hit on this search icon, and it will take some time to fetch the details of that product. So it successfully fetched the current price. So you need to provide the price in here, otherwise it is not gonna work. So suppose I will click on track. So you need to enter a valid amount. 0 is not a valid amount. I'll say 2804. So I want this product in this budget in 2500. So I'll just click on track, and it will add a new tracker in here, and you can see that it is in here. So right now I don't have any data in here because the tracker has initiated just now. And if you haven't noticed it, you can see that the tracker is running in some time interval. You can see it's the time interval of 10 minutes, and sometimes it runs in the time interval of 15 minutes. But you can get pretty much update on 10 to 15 minutes. And this is all about the website. And also this is totally responsive in your mobile devices. And also you can install this web application and run it as native application. I can just hit uninstall here, and yeah, this is actually a desktop application. You can see here, this is a desktop application where you can just interact, and you can just find that from here. Lootle, there you go. This is a desktop application that you can get. Yeah, that's all about the application, and it is totally mobile responsive. So you can install that application on your mobile and run it as a native application. And I'm using MongoDB database, and here is my schema for tracking, nothing much more complicated. And here is a schema for sites, and I'm just tracking it in arrays. So there happens to be a lengthy array in there. And this is the GitHub repository of this Lootle, and this is the email about the stock price when it drops. Okay, that's all for this video, and maybe I'll be able to include more features in the coming month or coming week. But before that, don't forget to track the price of your favorite product on lootle.live.